Here are some tips for surviving a recession. To learn more about recession and what causes it, I suggest going back to my previous video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to encourage me to make more videos like this one. If you are watching this video, you believe that a recession is on the horizon. Number 1. Try to save as much money as you can. The last tip will require it. Also, keep watching till the end for the tip that can help you thrive after the recession passes. Number 2. Get rid of credit cards with high interest rates. Consider a balance transfer credit card that allows you to pay off your balance interest-free, thereby preventing interest accumulation. But if you could get rid of it completely, go for it. Number 3. Work on an alternative source of income. It could be a freelance gig you pick up or consulting work you do on the side, but you should have at least 2 sources of income. Number 4. Invest in yourself by learning recession-proof skills. If you would like to know about some recession-proof jobs and businesses, let me know in the comments section if you want to see a video about it, and I'll make more videos about it in the future. Number 5. There is no doubt that your financial advisor will agree with me on this. Reduce some unnecessary expenses. If you're still watching, you made it to the end. Remember how I told you the last tip would help you succeed after the recession? Number 6. If you prefer to play it safe, keep your savings for rainy days. For those who wish to improve their situation from pre-recession levels, depending on how much you have, take that money and invest it in the stock market. Stocks could rally even before bond yields started falling. Great time to buy low and sell high after the recovery. Make long-term investments in real estate. Purchase property at a low price, hold on to it, perhaps even rent it, then sell or refinance when interest rates are low and property values are rising. There is a lot of power in knowledge. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more knowledge. Thank you.